It is a calm morning at Tom's home.
Let me fix your backpack straps, Tom.
Thank you, Mom. I am ready.
I'm proud of you, Tom.
Thank you, Dad. I will do my best.
Stay kind and listen to the leader.
Yes, Mom, I will listen. This badge is small, but it feels special.
Goodbye, Tom. We love you.
See you soon, my boat.
Goodbye. I will miss you.
The car drives away on a sunny road. Tall trees pass by fast outside the window.
Wow, the world looks so big today.
Tom arrives at the forest camp entrance.
This camp is huge. I feel excited.
Colorful tents are neat under tall trees. A campfire area waits in the center. Kids laugh and talk together in the clearing.
So many kids. I don't know anyone yet. It's okay, Tom. You can be brave.
The camp flag waves softly in the wind.
Welcome, campers. Please stand here together. Stay in lines. Please listen carefully. Safety is number one at this camp. Do not go near the forest. It is dangerous.
I will follow the rules. The forest looks cool, but I must be careful.
The trees look deep, dark, and quiet. A warning sign stands near the forest path.
I should stay with the group. Okay, I will go back with everyone.
Kids play games and run around happily.
They look happy. I want to join. But I keep looking at the forest. Maybe I can just look for 1 minute. I will be careful. I will not go far. Wait, should I go back?
Trees grow closer. The path feels narrow. The sunlight becomes weak under the leaves.
Oh, I walked too far. Where is the camp? I can't see it. I think I am lost.
The forest is quiet. It feels scary.
Hello, can anyone hear me? I should stay calm. Breathe, Tom.
A branch cracks. The sound is loud. Wind moves the leaves like whispers.
Ah, I slipped. Okay, I can stand up. My heart is beating fast.
A distant animal sound echoes far away.
What was that? I heard something.
A dark shadow moves behind the trees.
I must hide right now.
A bear silhouette passes in the distance.
Please go away. Please go away. Stay quiet. Don't move. I am scared, but I will be smart.
The bear walks away slowly. The forest becomes still again.
Okay, it's gone. I'm safe now. I need to leave this forest. Ouch, my leg hurts. I can't run, I can only walk. Think, Tom, what can you do? I must find light or an open place. Help, camp leader, help me. I will use my jacket, I'm cold. Step by step, I can do it. Wait, I see brighter light ahead. Yes, I found the forest edge. I see the camp lights far away. Hey, over here, please look.
What is that movement in the field?
Leader, someone is waving!
Get the flashlight. Move fast.
I have my small laser. I can signal. Please see the red light, please.
Follow the signal. Stay together.
Yes, leader!
I'm so tired, but I must keep going.
Tom, are you okay?
Yes, I'm here.
You are safe now. We found you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hold my hand. Stand up slowly.
Okay, I will try.
Lean on me. Take small steps.
I can walk a little.
You were brave and smart, Tom.
I'm sorry I left the group.
Tom is back! Yay!
Hi, I'm okay.
This brave badge is for you.
For me, really?
You earned it, Tom.
I will remember this forever. I feel proud and thankful.
Rest now. You are safe.
Yes, leader, thank you.
Next time, stay with us, Tom!
Yes, I will stay together.
The sunset. The camp feels peaceful again.
Melodies like rated arms,
It's the last day. I feel a little sad.
vocal humming.
Tents come down. Bags are packed.
Good job this week, Tom.
Thank you, leader. I learned a lot.
Tom, we are here.
Mom, Dad, I missed you.
Melodies
Goodbye,
like
summer camp. See you next year.